So let's do a simple giveaway. Somebody comes to our form, they sign up to get something. Let's see how to do that. In this case, I'm going to use a coupon on the welcome email, but usually it might be a download or another link to a coupon. I'm going to use a coupon, but you can add a download file in your Mailchimp Content Studio. So if you come here, you can actually add a paragraph up there telling them enter your details to get 50%. Enter your details to get 50% coupon code to get a 50% coupon code. Coupon. We can change the size of the font. I'm just going to leave the design at that point, but you can add anything you want here. You can even add terms and conditions and add a link to your terms and conditions there. Terms and conditions. Insert, save and close. The font for this let's add the coupon code somewhere. Confirmation thank you page. So you can either send it here, confirmation thank you page, once they've subscribed, or you can use the first welcome email. Confirmation thank you page. The confirmation thank you page will show up on the browser. I'm forgetting this. The confirmation page shows up on the browser. The one that you want is the final welcome email. This is where you can add the link. So you can see these parts you can't edit. If you want to use an automation, you can actually create an automation that will send out a welcome email, a better welcome email after this. But if you don't have access to automations, you can simply add the link here. So your subscription to our list has been confirmed. Here is your coupon, or here is your link, and then you can add the link below. Here is your coupon code. You can paste it on your checkout page. And if it was a link that you're giving out, a download link, let me also add a download link for a product for something here. You can also download. You can also download my free ebook here. Free ebook here. And let's add a link, and we're going to choose a file. This is a file that you've already uploaded to Mailchimp. So file, and let's see, do we have PDFs? Yeah, there are PDFs that I added. I'll just select one of these samples and then insert. It doesn't automatically hyperlink to that, so I'll just copy the link and then hyperlink it to this manually. Link to web address, and then paste and insert. So you can either copy the link or click on that. At the end of the day, both of them are links to the same thing. And I'll leave it like that. and then save and close. So the moment of truth, I want to subscribe with one email and see if it's going to come through. So come back here. I need the link to the sign up form. Open in a new tab. Control V, first name, subscribe. It's because of my email. It's because of my email. Okay. Yeah. And it's because of the sending email. So I will have to fix this once and for all. And I'm going to show you how to fix it. So please confirm subscription. Subscribe me to this list. Your subscription to our list has been confirmed. Now, let's go back and see if we get our download item. Is it under inbox? No. Spam? Maybe. Once you click this, your subscription has been confirmed. I should get an email. Oh no, there's something I forgot. So I'm not going to get the email. Something I forgot, something major that I forgot. So if you come here, so if you come back here, you can see this. What we are looking for is this send final welcome email. So I believe Mailchimp believes that when people subscribe to your list, you're going to set up an automation sequence, and that automation sequence is going to have a welcome email. So this is why this is checked off by default. But you need to turn it on if you want to send that download item for this welcome email, right? The welcome email that we poorly designed here. This will have to be sent when somebody subscribes. This is a setting I forgot. You should make sure you enable that. I want to come back here. The email that I've just subscribed with, I don't know, should I delete it? Yeah, let me just delete it. I want to clean up my audience. Let me continue to archive. Just one last test before we end the video. It has to work. So let's go back to the sign up form because I want this URL. And then I'm going to open in a new tab. Let's try to subscribe again. Also, if you don't want this, you can remove it in the same place I enabled the last setting. Confirm humanity and then subscribe. Let's go back. Confirm subscription. Subscription has been confirmed. So let's go back and see, and I can see I have one subscription confirmed. There you go. So you can improve the editing. So this is a spam thing. When the email goes to the spam folder, images are usually hidden. If I was to report not spam, then I can find it in my inbox. And the image will be visible. Okay, so of course, improve the design of your form. You can see mine has a terrible experience, but at the end of the day, all the details are here. Here's your coupon code. There you go. You can paste it on your checkout page. and then also download the free ebook. So let's click on it and see what happens. And there you go. There is the download item that I provided. So you've seen the workflow. You create your form and then you edit the final welcome email. So you can select it. So if you want beautiful designs, just go with the workflow where you edit the welcome email on your automation page. On your automation, you can also increase the font for everything. 20, and the coupon maybe increase to 30. So in the next part, we're going to see how you can set up, how you can use a domain so that your emails stop going into spam. I'm using a Gmail email, and that's why almost everything is going into spam. We're going to see how we can set that up here in the next part. And all the domain things are actually inside here. If you come here under profile, you can click there on domain. You can verify the email domains there. Verify the first email domain. For this one, I'm just going to remove it because I want to start from scratch. So verify an email domain. I'll use a different domain. And then connected domains. This is for domains that you can use on landing pages, on your website, your Mailchimp website, and any other place that you'll need a custom domain. So first, we're going to look at the email domain. We need to verify that so that emails will stop going into spam. And that's the next thing I will do.